Hello everyone, how are you? Today I hope you are doing very good and very well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Leather Fashion. I am here with the latest designs of leather dresses. These leather leggings are really very pretty. You look gorgeous and stunning when you wear these dresses. You can see these dresses are eye-catching dresses. You can wear these dresses on every party. If you like my dresses and want to buy these dresses, kindly visit amazon.com. You can buy these dresses in really reasonable prices. You look really pretty and hot in these dresses. These dresses made you very pretty. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and follow my account. I hope you like my video and all my dresses. If you want more of these, kindly comment below. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel Leather Fashion and press the bell icon for latest updates. If you like my video, kindly share my video with your friends and your family members. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.